Today is National Make a Difference Day, and here in Fairfax County that means VolunteerFest. And right now we're located at Facets, which is located just down the road from Volunteer Fairfax on Page Avenue. And Facets is very focused on helping our county's homeless community. They have a fantastic pantry that is just filled with all sorts of things that homeless people, when they finally get their home, they're going to need. So what they're doing is they're cleaning the pantry out, painting the walls, really freshening things up, and making sure things stay very well organized so when people do come in, they can rapidly get the items that they need and get them in their hands.
We have tremendously engaged citizens, but without folks like all of you and the corporate contributors and the individual contributors and the people who volunteer their time, we would not have the success that we have. And that's the way, quite frankly, it ought to be. In a strong community, people help each other.
There are projects all over the county today, over 40 different projects, and they're everything from walks to support the homeless and food pantries to gardening like we're doing here. It's really exciting because this is our 20th year, and over the last 19 years, more than 22,000 volunteers have participated and given over 75,000 hours of their time. That is amazing when you think about it. We've also managed to do over 1,000 projects in that time period. Our agencies and our nonprofits and the different locations that we're serving, they walk away knowing that they're not toiling in vain, that there are citizens out there that truly support the people they're trying to serve and what they're trying to do. So it's really a win-win on both sides, but I think ultimately at the end of the day, the individual volunteer goes home with a feeling of something outside themselves, that they've made a difference in the world for that moment.